Good day everyone, my name is Kok Hong with metric number 265732. My supervisor is Prof. Azila binti Kasim. The topic I am going to present is Green Growth as the best practice of tourism planning and development in Korea. I would like to introduce what Green Growth is. Refers to cultivate growth and development of economy, tourism and conservation of environment. It also aims to ensure natural resources were provided through natural asset and environmental service. Green tourism able to reduce poverty and support the economy of country through creation of job opportunity. Korea is well known as high technology country with highest speed of internet connection around the world. Among the famous electronic company, Samsung product is the most famous and useful high technology electronic device for people not only in Korea but also around the world. Nowadays, Korea trying to improve quality of locals' life as well as tourism experience of locals and international tourists travel to Korea. Green growth policy is the best example for sustainable tourism, especially ecotourism, because there are several strategies and policies of green growth for sustainable tourism in Korea. Green growth generate green city and green transport in Korea. So, one of the cities in South Korea aim to become one of the greenest cities or most eco-friendly cities in the world to cope with climate change, alter the system of public transport, redesigning the layout of route and so on. The most important is to ensure Korea become environmentally conscious, especially in the tourist attraction. Some effort conducted by government, such as conservation and preservation of wetland places, including Sancheong Bay Ecological Park and Junnan Reservoir. This natural attraction able to be protected and maintain its environment condition when conservation and preservation did well by government. Sancheong Bay Ecological Park aiming to become global leader in green growth and it is one of the most well-preserved wetland in the world. This is a good opportunity for Korea to become a green country well known by other countries. For green transport, greener cars are easy to reduce air pollution in Seoul, Korea. Mostly, tourists will use public transport go for travel, therefore public transportation are important. In 2008, public transport in Seoul such as 72,000 taxis and numerous buses were encouraged to use natural gas compared with diesel or petrol, which harm the health condition of locals and tourists in the aspect of respiratory infection. Tourism experience and some tourist attraction also might be affected due to climate change or burning fossil fuel. 7 new train lines available to incorporate into the overground system which connect the satellite towns to central Seoul in order to reduce air pollution in the ground road. Malaysia also started to promote the uses of green technology to cope with the issue of climate change and environmental impact. Even Malaysia is having green public transport such as bus rapid transit BRT, a kind of electric bus which can consist more than 1,000 passengers per hour. There are still many people choose to use their own transport, where 93% of residents in Malaysia owning a car for self-convenience. It will cause traffic jam and car congestion, especially during working hours in big cities such as Kuala Lumpur. Therefore, Malaysia can learn from Korea to change the use of diesel and petrol to natural gas on own transport and public transport to reduce the issues stated before and also aware on health condition of people. Green revolution in lifestyle. Government of Korea trying to bring the green revolution in daily life. Green lifestyle refers to the way of life which concerned about the impact of climate change and environmental degradation. This action ensures local residents who stay in Korea enjoy safe and high-quality life in good environment, as well as tourists having good experience during their vacation in Korea. Green lifestyle also considered as sustainable lifestyle when it is related with sustainable tourism. It can be proved through local residents in Korea are provided with the education of training, marketing, infrastructure, and more for the purpose to communicate well with tourists who visit the urban and rural attraction. For example, Seongdae-go Energy Village is an urban attraction located in Seoul, Korea, which became a model of sustainable tourism with the slogan "Innovation Become Life" to encourage people to live in sustainable lifestyle. Malaysia encouraged to provide training class for the residents who work in tourist attraction area when they are living there, so that they are able to having good interaction with tourists who have different language and different cultural background to avoid any misunderstanding. Tourists also will having good experience there and having willingness to revisit there in future. Sustainable Public Procurement (SPP). This is the strategy of green public procurement. It aims to encourage residents and tourists to purchase green products and services with eco-label including paper, IT equipment, vehicle, lighting, cleaning service, accommodation, and so on. The famous tourism service with eco-label in Korea is one of the famous rest area called as Deokbyeong Eco Service Area located at Incheon, Korea. It is not only a rest area but also play role as tourist attraction, which consists with relaxed place, some amenities, illumination theme park, and pet cafe for residents and tourists. The rest place with eco-friendly theme is pretty good for everyone who stop by there to rest and enjoy the nature. Malaysia doesn't have eco-friendly rest area yet apart from eco-friendly resort and hotel. So, this is a good opportunity for Malaysia to get improvement and provide better service area for both residents and tourists who stop by for rest and relax. Eco-route for Green Road refers to implementation of green practice to reduce environmental impact, preserve the ecotourism, increase economy of the country, and more. Exist of eco-routes also increase the life cycle of the route. There is marketing to promote the cultural eco-route through social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, so that people in Korea and also around the world know more details about the eco-routes and its advantage to the country and people. For green practice of tourism in Korea, eco-route encourage people to walking, hiking, rather than car ride or bus ride to feel the nature of the mountain. Jirisan Mountain is the representative of walking destination for development of cultural eco-route. One of K-drama 2021 named Jirisan is to introduce the mysterious and unexplored region of the mountain to the audience. This might attract the audience and his interest to visit and explore the mountain themselves. It is a kind of strategy to promote the natural attraction of Korea wisely. Malaysia can learn from Korea in development of cultural eco-route as tourism development. This is not only to attract residents and tourists, but also it helps to improve reputation of Malaysia about the negative impact of hiking, including injuries, lost, death, and more. SDG 8 is about December and economic growth, while SDG 12 is responsible consumption and production. SDG 8.9 and 12.b is to promote sustainable tourism, which create job opportunities, promote local culture and product. Green practice of sustainable tourism, including ecotourism in Korea, enable locals to have job opportunities in agricultural sector. Some of them were working as soft farmer. This helped to promote local culture and product too with their work hard. Locals might have good interaction with tourists to spread cultural knowledge of Korea.